Today I am reviewing the AVGPC Mini-X Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a compact yet powerful gaming desktop, the AVGPC Mini-X Gaming PC is an excellent choice that balances performance, aesthetics, and long-term reliability. Let's start with the core of this machine, the Intel Core i5-11400F processor. With 6 cores and 12 threads, this CPU can boost up to 4.4 GHz, delivering smooth and efficient performance for gaming, streaming, content creation, and multitasking. Whether you're running heavy AAA games, editing videos, or working with multiple applications simultaneously, this processor ensures there's no lag or stutter, giving you a seamless computing experience. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5068 GB GDDR4 graphics card, this Mini-X truly shines for gamers and creators alike. The RTX 5060 supports real-time ray tracing, DLSS technology, and high-quality graphics rendering, which brings your games and creative projects to life with rich detail and lifelike visuals. You can enjoy smooth gameplay at 1080p or even 1440p, depending on your game settings, and it's fully VR-ready, so you can step into immersive virtual reality experiences without compromise. Memory and storage are equally impressive. The Mini-X comes with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM at 3200 MHz, ensuring fast responsiveness and efficient multitasking. You'll never have to worry about browser tabs slowing you down or games stuttering during critical moments. Additionally, the 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD provides lightning-fast boot times and near-instant game loading. This means your favorite games, software, and files are accessible in seconds, dramatically reducing downtime and letting you focus on what matters: gaming, creating, or working efficiently. The system is built on a reliable Intel B560 motherboard with full CEC compliance, which guarantees stable power delivery, optimal energy efficiency, and plenty of room for future upgrades. The included Hyper 212 heatsink keeps your CPU cool under intense workloads, ensuring consistent performance even during marathon gaming sessions. Meanwhile, the case design allows for excellent airflow and cooling, protecting your components while also adding a stylish aesthetic to your setup. Connectivity features are well thought out. This gaming PC comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can connect your devices seamlessly without worrying about messy cables. It also includes multiple USB ports, Type-C connectivity, and high-speed networking options, ensuring smooth online gaming and quick file transfers. You'll have all the connections you need for external storage, peripherals, or multiple monitors. The compact M.2 case measures just 11.2 by 7.68 by 14.96 inches, making it perfect for small desks, gaming corners, or limited spaces. Despite its size, the Mini-X packs serious performance. It even comes with a gaming keyboard and mouse, so you can start playing immediately without buying additional accessories. The 650W gold-rated PSU ensures reliable and efficient power delivery, which is perfect for both current needs and future upgrades. Finally, AVGPC builds this system in the USA with lifetime support, which means you can rely on quality and get help whenever needed. It's a complete package that combines high-performance components, compact design, and future-proof features to deliver a gaming PC that is both powerful and convenient. In conclusion, the AVGPC Mini-X Gaming PC is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a small, powerful, and versatile gaming system. With an Intel Core i5-11400F processor, RTX 5060 graphics, 16 GB RAM, and a 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD, it's ideal for gaming, streaming, content creation, and everyday tasks. Its compact form factor, excellent cooling, and VR-ready graphics make it a future-proof investment for gamers and creators who want performance without compromise.